This Ramadan at Masjid As-Sunnah, we're doing things differently.
This masjid has never been just a building. It's been a place of prayer, a place of learning, a place where generations have been shaped. For decades, As-Sunnah has served this community quietly, consistently, and with purpose.
As-Sunnah was built by people who believed in something bigger than themselves. People gave their time, effort, and resources. And so because of that, thousands passed through these doors. So students, elders, young people finding their places. So this must help raise this generation. And today we are very grateful for everything it has given. But communities do not stand still, they grow.
Hear from the next generation what this rebuild truly means to them. A place with space to learn, space for our youth, space for our sisters, and space for the generations yet to come. We are not rebuilding for today alone. We are building for the next 50 years and beyond, creating a masjid ready for the future.
A place to learn where we can study Quran, grow in knowledge, and become better Muslims.
Somewhere safe, inspiring, and positive.
And space for generations to come. So our children and their children will always have a masjid to call home.
Rebuilding As-Sunnah Masjid means creating a masjid that serves everyone.
A masjid we can be proud of when you grow up.
Today, it's clear that we have outgrown this space. Demand is increasing, spaces are full, and the masjid can no longer meet the community that it serves. This is not about crisis. It's about responsibility. It's about recognizing when it's time to take the next step.
I want a masjid where I don't have to squeeze in.
I want a masjid that looks beautiful inside and outside.
I want a bigger prayer space for Eid and Ramadan. I want a masjid that makes us feel proud when people visit.
A bigger and better madrasa.
We want to grow our community.
More space to play with friends.
Ramadan, a time when communities come together, when intention turns into action. This Ramadan, we're inviting you to be part of something lasting, not just to donate, but to join a rebuild that belongs to all of us. Because this rebuild is not someone else's responsibility, it's ours. We're proud to launch our Ramadan fundraising campaign. Support it, share it, and stand with your masjid. And remember, this Ramadan, you can double your donation with Give Match. That means your £10 can turn into £20, or your £50 into £100 or whatever you donate. Head over to the link in our bio and donate now.